afraid of is he's going to have that treat again, and he's going to take down your trees because your private property signs.
Well, this is nice. Look, it goes along the brook all along here.
Really?
Over here. Look at that.
Well, that's the way down. Ooh! Oh, that's a nice flat place to take cleared. Maxwell.
This was cleared out just a little bit, and all. Right now.
I got to get the moss off there, Jimmy. We'll both fall.
Yeah. I could get in here with a backhoe and pick some rocks out.
Oh, now you don't want to screw with Mother Nature now.
Just make a little more of a tool so they don't break the leg in there.
Well, you don't want to touch the ecology. Well, these here would have to be taken out.
Yeah. See, I'm guessing. See how this is all low in here?
Look at that old tree. Look at that.
I know.
What is that, a yellow birch?
A birch.
A yellow birch. Look at it. I can't believe it's still standing. The poor thing.
Oldest birch I've seen.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yellow birch, I think.
See how the road comes down right there? I bet you they went across here. Because they have little bridges they can make. Brig with them. And see how it's a little bit cleared over there too? I bet you they went across.
You mean you think it's flatter there than here?
Well, right in this whole area. Just getting the equipment down here is one thing, so they could at least get down here. And I bet they went right across in that area. Especially the way the trail marks look.
When it dries out a little bit, we need to, because look at those pools that Maxie and I could sit in.
I know it.
Nothing like, look at this, that's your land too, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's all the way down till we see the red marker, and all the way up till we see the marker on the other end.
Right.
Let me show everybody, you're in the way. So there's a good look at the brook there.
Yeah.
I mean, it probably has some fish in there. I don't know if it has trout.
Yeah, it does have fish.
Does it have trout? I love trout, but
I don't know about up here.
I'd never kill them. But
it's all
trout is good eating. A lot of bones, but my dad Dad was from Maine, and he would bring trout home to Massachusetts. Huh?
It's grown over so much you can't see it.
I know it.
But yeah, this would be a good little place right here.
Oh, yeah. Trouble is, if Max sits down and doesn't want to leave, you'd have to bring the Kubota, and I'd have to...
Hopefully the four-wheeler would be like right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So that'll be good.
You know he wouldn't give up on a four-wheeler ride.
Oh, yeah.
It even looks like the road goes that way for him.
Yeah, I think I mean, what time is it?
I don't know. It's
Can you shut this off for a minute and I'll see what time it is?
right there, red button.
Okay. The brook goes, excuse me, honey.
All rocks here.
I'm just gonna try to show them. See up there? Goes way up. Comes right out of the mountain. That's some good water right there. Good water. Wish we could see some fish.
Yeah, I'm sure there is some. Like I said,
hiding under the rock, probably.
They call them darts, I think.
Darts?
Darts.
Why?
Well, when they're small, they're just little darts.
Oh, I never heard that expression. And then this way, it goes this way. I hope you can see.
No, you must have hit it.
Okay.
You tried to turn it.
All right.
Is it still red?
I put it on now.
Okay.
I can't see what they see.
No, that's good. It's a wide angle lens, so.
I don't know.
Okay, come back this way. Right at the base of these rocks.
Okay.
And then right there.
Okay. Moss grows north, right? Oh, look at this. What is this?
Yeah, it's just a pool. I don't know if there's no tree stump there or what. That's the hole.
So where does this go? Are we going to keep going? Where are you going? It's only 10:30.
I'm going to go back this way so we see where we're going to come into this.
What do you mean? I came down the thing, you're banging a left, And you're going to follow this. Why not keep walking? Why? What did you want to do?
Well, I can't get the tractor in here anyway. Not with the bush. It's sink. It's that.
Well, honey, you'd sink now because we've had terrible thunderstorms.
I know.
Bet next weekend.
But I don't know how we're going to get across this muddy brook.
All right. We'll go around.
Unless you want to get all mud.
Yeah, that. I think it's like a double brook, to be honest with you. I think in the spring, Jimmy, be careful. I think it flies and overflows into this area.
Yeah, like mosquito breeding ground.
Yeah, I know. That's got to be filled in. We can go around, Jimmy. You don't need to break your ankle because I can't pick you up.
Any better area, once they're solid, it's solid.
Oh, all right. Yeah, it is solid. Okay.
It is a double brook.
Huh?
It is a double brook.
Well, you know in the spring it comes off this mountain like
the other brook that comes in right
hell on wheels. Huh?
The other brook.
What other brook?
The other brook comes right down that hill. See that path?
Oh, you couldn't do this then. You couldn't make a path here for the ATV, could you? No. Be nice. Maybe it'd be nice to get it down here and pick up all these old dead trees. All right, we'll go the way you wanted to. Easy, Jim. Oh, you're fine. Jeez, I'm Linda. Just call me Grace. I don't know where to put it. Out of the way somewhere. Well, you want to go up here?
No, it's too steep.
Jimmy, we've walked this whole land.
I want to go back this
all right, okay, all right, all right.
Place that it comes in.
Okay, all right. I still think this is the best place to go down to the brook.
So far, huh?
Now the mosquitoes are biting my hands.
You want spray?
Yeah, I better because I've already got one
It's in that zipper pocket, wherever it is.
Oh, I'll get it. Just wait a minute. The big bottle's not going to fit in there. You son of a biscuit. Ow! What's on my back? Right there. Something.
You spray your back? I'm good, I'm good.
Yeah, they're biting you right now.
No, it's all right. Here. Turn around. Get some on your
They're
back.
biting you on your ears.
I know.
I think I'm good. It's because we're near the water that they're biting so bad. Oh, they bit me bad. All right, did you do your ears?
Yeah.
Here. All right, you're all set.
Tip on there. The lean.
Little lean.
All right, that's where we came down
Ugh.
to. That's where we came down to, which isn't that bad. Wouldn't be for a four-wheeler. That'd be nothing.
Yeah.
Okay?
But you'd have to hand cut it. You said you couldn't bring the Kubota down here part way?
One of those things that, you get stuck.
You don't want to die.
But see, the road goes,
I wouldn't do it unless I'm here, Jim.
maybe the road. How was that?
What was
a
that?
deer or something.
What was that?
Big deer or something.
No.
Yeah.
That was a moose.
That could have been a moose.
He broke something, a tree or something. Better not be a damn bear.
I would have loved to see it.
I wouldn't, not if it was Mama Bear and she's got her 3 cubs with her. Let's go this way. This is the way I came.
I know, honey, but look. This is a regular trail.
Jimmy, I don't want to be trapped if there's a bear coming towards us.
You go up that way and I'll go around this way. A lot more grass.
Your gun loaded?
Yes, it is.
It's not cocked though, is it?
No.
And I don't want you to kill anything. I just want you to shoot over their head. Nothing worse than a wounded animal. It's not right. And I sure don't want you to kill any bears. Unless she comes.
Even better than that where we came down. A lot more gradual.
No.
You're going straight, not going up there.
I'm not marking anything.
I'm saving it in my GPS.
Oh, great. Why didn't you do that the whole time then?
Because I can't hold on to this and find my way.
Okay. No, obviously they cleared this, Jim, when they were getting trees. Because it would be all overgrown by now.
That's encouraging too. It goes right along the rock wall.
Yeah, that's what I said I wanted to do.
Okay.
I know we've walked this before. I know we've walked this before. There, it's cleared. There's your road right there. All you had to do was keep on going. That's too bad, Jim. Well, you've got to make a roundabout. So you're going to make a roundabout. We have to get to all these trees to somehow get to the oaks that are on the side of the trail.
This ain't this. Is it the same? No. This ain't where we were. This is my lower trail.
Well, it comes back to one of the trails you've already started.
So, circle.
Guess what? I'm marking this that you just go, you know, where did we go? Straight that way, right?
Straight.
All right, then I'm just going to tell you to keep going straight. How's that?
Yeah.
Boy, you got a lot of work, buddy. Oh, jeez. I get to the easy part.
I got to here and I said, where does it go?
Damn.
I couldn't tell from here where it went. Because it looked like it was going uphill or down over the bank. And good. Okay, and I marked this. See, this here, all I have to do is hit the button.
Yeah.
I've got it set so it automatically, right there, 17. Save it. It's a waypoint.
But what do you name?